Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best scalping forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, what is scalping? Basically, scalping is a technique in trading that focuses on gaining profits off small subtle price changes. While scalping, it is possible to achieve returns regardless of the general trend of the asset. However, scalpers will need to have a proper exit strategy in place, as one large loss could lead to losing many of the small gains that were obtained. The main goal is to buy or sell at the bid or ask price, and then quickly sell them for a profit. Now let's jump into the top 5 best scalping forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and eBooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars that you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience. At number 3 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as monthly webinars that you can sign up to for a more in-depth educational experience. At number 2 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 80 tradable instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web Trader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market analysis, the psychology of trading, various trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis panels, a variety of eBooks, and webinars that you can sign up to whenever you please. At last but not least, at number 1 on our list of the best scalping forex brokers, we have XM. XM is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and shares. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts, with a variety of base currency options, negative balance protection, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XM also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers various in-depth trading lessons, videos and written guides, as well as a daily live streaming service and webinars that you can sign up to and take part in for a more personal educational experience. And those are the top 5 best scalping forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.